Today, we will be testing the adaptive QQE indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the adaptive QQE indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 51 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 704 indicators, with 283 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the adaptive QQE indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so I did go in and turn on the bar coloration with this particular indicator. I just felt like it was a tad bit easier to kind of be able to spot those areas that we are looking for. And so really what we're looking for currently is when the QQE turns the bars green, then we are going to go long. When it turns the bars red, then we are going to go short. So relatively simple, not a whole lot to it, like many of the indicators, like I say many times before. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so the first signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get those green bars starting right here. We get an immediate push to the downside there. That one does come down and stop us out. And let's go ahead and move on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is a short signal. You can see that we get that switch in the red here. We get the red bars there. Get a little bit of a push to the downside, and then immediately we get a bounce back to the upside there, which does come up and stop us out. Looks like we pick up another signal right here. It's going to be a long signal, and you can see that almost immediately we get a push to the downside. That one does come down and also stops us out. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so then we pick up a short signal right here. We get that switch to the red bar coloration there. Enter here, we get a little bit of consolidation, sideways move in the market there before we then get a nice push to the downside. And that one does come down and finally gets us to a take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up along right here. We get a little bit of a pullback into the market there, sideways consolidation, and then we get a spike to the upside right there. That one does finally come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we pick up a short right here. You can see that we get a little bit of consolidation to the side, a spike to the upside there. Looks like that one's going to stop us out. Yep, comes up just far enough to stop us out before it then rolls over and starts to take a dive to the downside there. That would have gotten us to our take profit had we not got stopped out there. But yeah, what can we do? Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, we pick up a long signal right here. We get a really nice push to the upside there. That does spike up there and gets us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, we then pick up a short right here. We get a little bit of a pullback, well, a little bit of consolidation, then a pullback. Pushing up to the upside, putting a little bit of heat on our stop there. Got pretty close, but not quite all the way there before it then rolls over and makes a push to the downside. And that one does come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. That comes in an Excel version and a PDF version. And you will get that full list of indicators showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates and links to go back and review those individual strategies. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here, get everything in focus. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we have 14 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 winning trades. And so that barely misses that 60% criteria that we are looking for, as so many other indicators do. They get so close, right at the 50% marker. And yeah, we just see that over and over again. This indicator was interesting. There were moments that it did well, and then other moments where price would be moving in the complete opposite direction of the direction it was signaling that we should be going in. And so obviously that can be problematic. giving us just a few losing trades that kind of knocked down that win rate and cost it the 60% win rate that we were looking for. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.